The universe is a vast expanse of wonders and mysteries, and one of the most intriguing objects within it is the Andromeda Galaxy. With its impressive size and abundance of stars, the Andromeda Galaxy stands out among the multitude of galaxies present in the universe. Also known as Messier 31 or M31, the Andromeda Galaxy is visible to the naked eye during autumn and winter nights in the northern hemisphere. The galaxy is older than our Milky Way and has more than twice as many stars. It is moving towards us at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second and is expected to collide with the Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years, leading to a spectacular cosmic event that will merge the two galaxies into a new, even more massive galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is a striking sight, with its spiral structure comprising a central bulge and 4 spiral arms. It is home to billions of stars, as well as gas, dust, and dark matter. The study of the Andromeda Galaxy is of great interest to astronomers, as it is a nearby galaxy and provides an excellent opportunity to gain insights into the workings of galaxies throughout the universe. By examining the Andromeda Galaxy, scientists can learn more about our own Milky Way and other galaxies, from their formation to their eventual fate. In conclusion, the Andromeda Galaxy is a fascinating object in the universe that offers a glimpse into the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. Its sheer size and beauty are awe-inspiring, and its study continues to unlock new discoveries about the universe and our place within it.